U.S.B. My Nation channel.
Hello, welcome, greetings according to your time zone. This is U.S.B. My Nation channel, where we talk about social, faith, and politics. If these three things resonate with you, this is a place to be. Do subscribe. We are your channel. We talk about our beautiful nation, the United States of Biafra, and our DPM, who is our acting prime minister, is Dr. Ngozi Oraveze. Do not forget that our prime minister has been held up in a prison in Finland after Finland has betrayed his trust and the trust of Biafrans. But here we are, moving and marching forward. Also, our leader and president, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, is down there in his Sokoto, being incarcerated for wanting to free us. So, do subscribe, and here you will hear more about Biafra, about social, about faith, and all what you have, politics, especially politics of Africa. You can't run away from politics. Politics rules the world. And if you make, the greatest mistake you make is to take yourself away from politics. So today I want to talk about Okuko 419. It's just a pity that I'm talking about him because we are in one family of Spain. But we have to start addressing these people the way it is. On Kai channel, his matter was brought up, his video, where they gathered, the vultures gathered, and he was talking trash, absolute trash. And he was asking what our government has done. He was just messing up himself with his own statements, which I'm not going to repeat here. But on this video, I want to ask this very Okuko 249 or Okuko 419 or Okuko 247. Anyone that matches him, that he chooses, he can answer. What is still holding him from bringing every evidence that he has been promising us to bring? Why hasn't he come to tell the Biafrans and read that resignation letter? He promised us that if the government did not talk about it, he's going to read it for us. What has been or were his achievements when he was made the Homeland Security Officer? We have not seen any. This man that keep on asking for proofs of what somebody has done. He has been in position. He has never done anything. In fact, he was out because he was asking for money for whom the government don't know who it is. Asking for money a mess. And don't forget that this very particular individual never contributed to any money that he is dishing out. His name is Alhaji Bringi Bringi. And you never donate. And you don't want to discipline yourself and go in. You are gathering with the vultures. Under your video, you said you don't like Ajere. And Ajere was there to show you how stupid and dubious these people can be. The gathering of the Satans, don't play with it. Demonic gathering, when they gather to destroy, they are one. When they finish destroying, they go apart. But the person that allowed them to destroy them, they are the one to suffer. That's why we will not allow these demons anymore. They are in the hole, and that hole they dug for themselves, they must remain there. You are talking about you don't agree with Ajere, and you never go to agree with Ajere, but you are in the same platform with Ajere, and the same useless Ajere is telling you, yes, well spoken. Hey, now wow, these are the people that are so shameless. Unfortunately, initially, these are also the people you supported. Somebody is there, you are saying you are not supporting that person, and that person is telling you, yes, that's right. Who listens to you people? It's what I ask. Who listens to you people? Okuko 419. You are on X. You are on Facebook. You are on YouTube. You have not seen achievements from the government that you followed to to work on because you didn't build nothing. You are a mediocre. But you are seeing what is happening in Iran. You are posting Iran's war and missiles. Hey! Onye mere gị ihe a? Who do you? Who do you, Okuko 419? Who do you this? You will be doing chuku 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 until you get you if go. You are pursuing who is not pursuing you. One day your shadow will drag you to where you don't know. What is your problem? Okay, you finished asking. Then the mother of the nation came and brought a bill I called a bill of our interest. I hope you will see that. You are not blind. But if you don't see, I'm here to tell you because many of our medias has already talked about it. My brother Exodus, Biafra Exodus TV has also discussed about this very wonderful news. Kai also report has also in detail read it out. I'm not going to do all that. I'm here to say a few things because I'm not going to do repetition. And here what I have to say is, in case you don't know, you Okuko 419 that is asking for evidence and asking for everything, telling people, who are you telling to come and donate? How much have you donated since you are on this season? If not, you are Alhaji Bringi. You eat the ones others donate. We paid your transport twice to Finland, fed you, gave you shelter. What you used to pay us, all of you, is nonsense. Insulting everybody, lying upon your heads, swearing upon your head and the head of your families. So in case you just asked that question and just last night, another one came out, go and check it out. But on that very message, there are 2-3 things I took out. And those things are the things that gladdens me most. Because our government has been telling the Nigeria police and military to leave our territory because it is not right that they are there. It's illegal for them to be there because we have not permitted them to be there. That's apart. The one that sweets me most is the one that spoke about the saboteurs. Those Biafrans that are saboteurs, that are prognosers, that are finger pointers to the zoo, police, and military against a fellow citizen. Our bill says, if you are caught, you're gonna leave the nation for us. You will go to north and live with them. You will go to the south and live with Nigeria. Once you are in Biafra land, if you want to take your protections from the Nigeria police and Nigeria military, you are not a Biafran. You are not supposed to be in that land. You are going to exit. I love that bill. Very, very accurate. Because we have suffered people like Ugo 419 in them. These are their march on ground. People that will leave what they're supposed to chase and they are chasing the shadows of the animals, not even their own shadows. I love that very one. Another one I loved is about tax. You, the companies, the banks that are doing business in Biafra nation, we have been telling you, our government has been telling you to pay your taxes to our government, and you've kept deaf ear. In case if you think Biafra is already here, you're gonna pay arrears. You're gonna pay arrears as a penalty. That is who will allow you to stay because you undermined the 80 million Biafran governments. So I love that one too. You are once again reminded that your taxes should come to the United States of Biafra tax office. Our DPM, our acting prime minister, keep making it clear to all of you that she is open for your calls, for your negotiation. Her number is everywhere. But if you think that since you are hell-bent that there is nothing Nigeria cannot do, does not exist, wait and see how you're gonna perish with Nigeria, because what you are not seeing is that Nigeria is gone for good. These are the 2 things I want to highlight on those bills, those messages that our DPM brought out some 2 days ago. They gladdens my heart. I think last night. It's so good. Like always, on point. He who has ear, let them hear. If you don't have ear, you wait. The government will talk to you at the right time, and you're gonna regret the actions that you took. Biafra Nation, the United States of Biafra Nation is no longer Nigeria. The border has been drawn. The nation is out. We are building our nation. And if you undermine that, we're gonna undermine you when the time comes. So the earlier you do the right thing, the better for you and for us. So we are not troublemakers. We don't want anybody's trouble. We are very peaceful people. But what we don't want is for you to take us for granted. You can see by our declaration, and you can see by the speed Chukwu Okike Obioma is doing what he's doing. Do not forget, we are the children of Chukwu Okike Obioma, the God of the Creator, the one that created everything and nothing created. We are not only fighting with the gun, we are fighting with prayers and supplications. When we cry, he will hear us and he will fight you. In case you have not subscribed, this is U.S.B, My Nation channel, where we talk about social, faith, and politics. So, what are you waiting for? We are looking forward to your subscription, and you are highly welcome. And we say thank you when you subscribe. Please do put on your notification bell so that the first day we will come live, you will be among those that will see us. It's gonna be interesting one. I'm telling you, I'm promising you. The very first day we will come live, heaven will plan it for us. I don't know how it's going, but I know it's gonna be an interesting life. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful time.